Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on OPPO A79. To do this, first let's open a settings, then scroll all the way down and enter additional settings. Go for gestures and motions, then you can see all of the gestures as well as the motions right here. I covered screen off gestures in my previous video. If you're interested, be sure to find it on our channel. Then let's cover them all. First one is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So you need to take your 3 fingers, preferably like this, and swipe them from top of the screen, and this will take you a screenshot. Then we have touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. That means you can select the amount of the screen that you want to take a screenshot for. Then there's raise to wake. If you lock your device and this setting is enabled, you can pick up your phone and it should wake up without touching any buttons or your screen. Then there's a lift to ear to answer calls, which means when you receive any call, you can just raise your phone to your ear and it will answer it automatically. And it also works if you use any receiver like headphones. You can enable it, and then if you have them connected, just raise your phone to your ear and it will automatically switch it to the receiver. Then we have a flip to mute incoming calls. That means if you lock your phone, or you can actually leave it unlocked, but I don't recommend it, put your phone upside down and it should prevent any call from reaching you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.